happening?
What
Reaching
the
terminal
fuck?
velocity.
What the fuck?
He's zooming. Imagine what this looks to like everybody else in the game. Oh no. I think we need to reset again. Oh no.
Jump. Oh shit.
Oh, bye nerd. Oh no. This isn't working out as intended.
Fucking jump.
I don't want
Right now.
I'm trying to activate the rest of these thrusters.
Okay, hold up. Hold up, I got it.
The game's not letting me. Oh. Oh
You
no.
fucking went over me.
Okay, this is a lost cause. Okay, that's a bad idea.
Okay, so we can make money
A few.
with the power of rockets.
You're the one controlling this, right?
Oh fuck. I forgot. It's not inverted controls and so it's fucking me up. What the fuck?
Bro, we hit that thing and I just fucking exploded.
The fucking vine.
Oh, that was wonderful.
Oh my fucking god. It's still fucking flying off in the distance. Oh no.
It's my
Why
car.
the fuck is there ropes everywhere?
That means, like, it's a car thing. That means it's connected to that seat. So you're able to drive it around.
Oh Jesus. Oh
But
god.
the handling is, like, piss poor. It's also very weaponized, as you can see. There's fucking thrusters, there's cannons. What the fuck is happening over there?
That's the boat from before.
Wait, no fucking way. Oh my god, it is.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck, Justin.
It is. Oh my god.
Fucking, we have one now.
You see what Oh, you can go to white team.
Holy fuck. Those thrusters and shit are so broken.
Oh my god, the boat is still going. Look at it. It's
Let me load that one again.
the car.
No, the fucking boat. Plain boat. Oh wait, hold up, I have fucking something to show you if I can fucking find it. It's like Fortnite battle boat bus fucking bullshit.
Battle boat bus.
I don't remember what we fucking called it. What is it fucking called? Fortnite battle bus car plane blimp boat. Fucking before pick and after pick.
Before. Oh no.
Fucking. Okay, the goal is hit as many thrusters as possible.
It's the cum boat.
The combo.
Oh no. Oh Jesus Christ. Oh, oh, that reminds me of the fucking fidget spinner thing my friend and I used to do with the thrusters.
Oh fuck.
This is what G-force
Oh
is.
fuck, it's getting faster.
Bro,
What the fuck?
we're still going.
Oh god, you fucking activated the thrusters again. Okay, hold up. Fucking, I need to get in the fucking pilot seat.
Okay.
Jesus. Oh fuck. What the fuck?
What is happening?
Fucking just one in the pilot seat, man.
Bro, it's the cum seat.
Okay, we need to flip this shit, so like... Oh fuck!
Oh god. I'm getting out of here.
What the fuck?
It's a going. There's no stopping. Oh god, it hit me.
Oh fuck.
Bro, everything is happening right now. I don't know if I can handle
What the fuck happened?
it.
When
Okay.
did it all go so fucking wrong?
Thrusters. That's when it went all wrong. Okay, I'm
Wait,
restarting.
when did you play this game?
I remember playing it like many years ago.
Fucking, do you have the Halloween candies?
I don't know what those are.
They
Probably
fucking, there's one that makes you tiny and one that makes you fast.
Oh no, I don't have any of those.
Fucking, if you have the tiny one and you equip a jetpack with it, it fucking just like obliterates you.
Okay, I wanna.
Oh wait, hold up. You wanna see a bug we found? Sit in that.
But hang on, I wanna make the fidget spinner.
No, but sit in this.
Hang on, I'm making the fidget spinner.
It's really important.
Kindly
The
disregard
fucking
how this
swat.
looks like a swastika. Okay, what?
Fucking, did it cripple you like it's a... No. Maybe. Fuck. Okay. Place that type of seat behind it.
This
Like, right inside of it.
fucking stool. I got it there.
Oh, fuck. I think we just need the candy for it. Because, like, it's supposed to fucking cripple you.
Anyways,
Oh, fuck.
get on the swastika. This is all we would do. It was
Oh, fuck.
because then it would touch something like a fucking Beyblade. It just Beyblades. Beyblade, let her rip.
Let it rip. Oh, fuck.
We're just fucking bouncing around like we're in a pinball machine.
What was that?
We're not done yet.
If we can give him...
The second that you touch the corner or something, you just go flying. This is great.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Why are we still fucking spinning?
We're not done yet.
What happens if I jump off here?
You'll probably be dematerialized.
What happened?
I don't know, but I got flung outside of the map.
I fucking jumped out of it and it fucking disappeared.
I think it's
Fucking
because
just,
a
like-
Beyblade hit a rock and died. What if we just like make a fucking rocket seat? This is a good
Fucking
idea.
rocket seat.
Yeah, rocket seat. Bye.
He's gone.
I am about to head out.
Okay, we're gonna do quests.
What are quests?
I don't fucking know, it's just quests.
Okay, actually do.
So, the boat came back.
And oh god.
You see, pistons are literally the greatest. Hold on. I'll show you it after.
Hostile UAV above.
Oh boy.
The fucking...
We got sniped. Can I try it? Bro. I think you dead ass just got scammed. It looks like you have a big ass dick.
Exactly.
Oh, that's why you got, bro. You're so
Fucking
fucking
look at it.
You're so fucking weird, bro.
You can have the dick chair if you want.
I don't want the dick chair. Okay, and now hydraulic press your cock.
Babe,
Bye.
it's 6 PM. Time for your dick flattening. Senpai's a faggot. Got him.
Useless. Okay, so you wanted to kill a dragon or something?
Yes.
Defeat the dragon and get 20 cannons, 500 gold, 5 plastic blocks, 100 brick blocks, and 5 fabric blocks.
My idea is throw a shit ton of cannons on a box.
Wow, I was thinking the exact same thing. I happen to have... Okay, there we go. So now I got this big-ass platform.
How the hell did you do that?
I have the tool thing that lets me do that. So I'm just a Chad.
I'm running out of fuel.
Alright, there we go. Now I just slapped a bunch of cannons on it. I have 42 of these fucking things.
42.
You bet your ass we're gonna make great use of these. This cannon's not gonna stand a chance.
Either butter or glue, and I don't know which. But you can fucking eat them. We need the frontal defense. So our cannons don't get obliterated.
Good point. To that, I say metal blocks.
What metal? It better be the good stuff.
Yeah. You bet your ass is some good stuff.
Our steel's alright.
Bam. 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 Is that good enough for you?
Okay, can we do the sides with something?
Damn, you're so needy.
Fucking, I'll throw some TNT out here.
I don't know what that's gonna do. It's probably gonna blow up our fucking boat.
It's gonna blow up the rocks.
Well, here, I got some.
That's beautiful.
Got a
Okay, let's go, let's go.
Hang on, I
Let's
need
fucking go.
I need to place my MC.
We're gonna go murder a dragon.
Alright, I'm ready. There's a big ass target right there.
So my fucking thing isn't working.
So you're telling me I built this fucking thing for nothing?
No, I'm just saying my fucking one boat isn't working.
Tried to harpoon a bitch and it didn't work.
Sick legends.
Where's the dragon?
Fucking, I don't know.
Where's the fucking dragon?
He's probably gonna be on a later level.
Where's the fucking dragon?
The dragon's up your ass.
What? Is that the dragon?
Where?
To the left?
No.
Then what the fuck is it?
Some shitty boat.
Oh,
Firework.
God, the TNT's doing magic. Cannons are reusable, right?
Oh, fuck.
The cannons are reusable, yes?
Yes.
Ah, great.
But, like, they get caught on, like, this fucking wall you put in front of us.
Oh,
We have to
shit.
make a new attempt at this anyways, because, like, this isn't gonna work.
Yeah. So I say I built a big ass platform on top of it for the cannons to be fired.
Yes.
Oh boy.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna chill over here while you do whatever bullshit.
Beyblade, Beyblade, let it rip.
You conniving fuck. It wasn't even attached.
Like. Okay, I have an idea. Thruster, but like closer to here.
Okay, where? Like, stand where you want it?
Just place it like just somewhere over here.
Oh, alright.
Fuck it, yeah.
Okay.
Now this is gonna work. It's gonna send me backwards, but it's gonna work.
I feel like this is not gonna work. What if we were to put both?
Fucking go. Beyblade, no!
Maybe you need like a better camera.
I have an idea.
What is it?
Get rid of the quest.
Get rid of the quest.
for down.
Alright.
Okay, and now I'm gonna do this. Start it.
Blocks must be cleared.
Oh, that's gay.
They knew.
Okay, hold up. I have an idea.
Okay, I started the quest again.
God damn it. Okay, yeah, I guess we're going to balloons.